Hello, this is the fourth lecture of discrete mathematics. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about little bit about the conjunctions and normal forms. Okay, so we will more emphasize little bit on conjunctions and disjunctions and negations and by implication and conditional by conditional. Basically, in this lecture we will go through all the concepts we have discussed till yet. Actually, there are some English sentences. From the English sentences, we have to find the statement. This statement is known as the prepositions. Prepositions is a sentence which is either true or false but not both. For example, we can cover such examples. Indira Gandhi was one of the Prime Minister of India. It is a simple sentence, so it is a statement. 8 is greater than 10, so it is also a simple sentence, it is a statement. 2 plus 4 equal to 6, it is also a statement. Blood is green, it is also a statement. It is raining, the sun will come out tomorrow. All the are true and false maybe, but they are statement. But in the last one, the sun will come out tomorrow is a statement, since it is either true or false but not both. Okay, but what about these sentences? The following are not the statements. Is the number 6 a prime? Because it is a question, it is not a simple or declarative sentence, so this is not a statement. 2 minus x equal to 6, that is, it will depend on x. Most of the values are will be false, only the some values will make it true. So it will depend on x, but it is not universally true, so it is a false, not a statement. What are you studying? Because it is a question word. Starting sentence is a question, so it is a interrogative sentence, so it is not a simple sentence, so it is not a statement. Open the door, it is a imperative sentence, this is a command, so it will also will not be sentence. Statements, this statement is false, this statement is false. According to someone it may be true, but for another one, according to another's view, may be false, so it is not the statement. Is not a statement because it is not possible to assign the definite true or false value of it. If we assume that the sentence is true, then it says the statement C is false. On the other hand, if we assume that the sentence is false, that it implies that the sentence is true, hence it is not a statement. Each and every statement has the some values. These values are called truth values, denoted by the true and false, capital T and capital F, not by the 0 and 1. The first connectives is the negation. Negation means that just opposite sentence. There are so many ways. There are so many ways to find the negation of a statement. If let P be the statement, we define the negation P to be a statement which is true, then when P is false, and it false and P is true. The negation of a statement P is denoted by negation of P. In the literature, the symbol P dash, this symbol is also used to denote the negation of a statement P. The negation of a statement is generally formed by using the word not at the proper place in the given statement or the statement. It is false that P. You can use these two ways. You should put the not value at the proper place, or you should add with the it is false that P. Let P be the statement. So Delhi is a city. Then negation of P is a Delhi is not a city. Negation of P can also be written as it is false that Delhi is a city. But you can also use the antonyms of this sentence. If it has the some uh, words, we can have the antonym of that word. Consider the statement: if P sleeping is pleasant, the negation of P is by any of the following statement. It is false that sleeping is pleasant. Second, it is not the case that sleeping is pleasant. Sleeping is not pleasant, and you can also add antonym of this word. Sleeping is unpleasant. So there are four ways to write the negation of a sentence. Symbol we have already discussed, and there is a conjunction. Two statements can be combined with connectives and form a new statement, which is called the conjunction of the original statement. The conjunction of two statements P and Q with a statement P conjunction Q, which is true, both P and Q are true, and false, either one of them is false. The truth table for that, both are true, the result will be true, otherwise any one of the false, then result will be false. Let P be the statement sleeping is pleasant, and Q is a statement I am strong. Then P conjunction Q with a statement sleeping is pleasant and I am strong. Form the conjunction of P and Q whether P Ram is honest man, Rahim is an honest man. The conjunction of the given statement is that Ram and Rahim are the honest men. There is another logical connectivity with the disjunction. The disjunction of two statements P and Q is be written as P disjunction Q or P or Q. The statement P disjunction Q is true, either one of them is true or both are true. P disjunction Q is false when both are false. The truth table for this, because there are 2 to the power 2, that is 4 possible combination in this table. True, false, double true, double false. The result will be true when both are true and the any one of is true. Otherwise, both are related false. P. Sleeping is pleasant, P, and I am strong. Then in this way we can add sleeping is pleasant or I am strong. The next, I, in another example, ice cold and blood is green, then we can ice is cold or blood is green. In the literature, PQ and P plus Q is also used to denote the conjunction and disjunction of two statements P and Q respectively, either in this way or in this way. In the truth table, a statement obtained from the combination of other statement is called a compound statement. A statement which is not the combination of a other statement is called the atomic or simple statement. In another words, a compound statement is a combination of atomic statements. If P and Q are the statement, then P conjunction Q, P conjunction Q, P disjunction Q are the compound statement. Each and a compound statement have the possible combinations, that is 2 to the power 2. If you have the two variables, then P and Q, then it becomes a 2 to the power, that is 4 possible combinations. So we should make the truth table and construct the truth table for this negation of P disjunction with Q. So we have the 4 possible combination, 2 to the power 2, that is 4 possible combination. P and Q, it becomes a true, false, double true, double false. Then first we should find the negation of P, double true, false, true, false, false, true, false, true. And we should find the disjunction. Disjunction means that if any one of the true, then result will be true. True, both false, true, and true. In the similar manner, basically this is the idempotent law. In the similar manner, we can make the truth table for this. P, we have only the one variable P, So 2 to the power 1, that is 2 possible combinations will be here. So true, the negation of p is that false, false, and then true. Then we find the contradiction. So simply, just as he suggested, you should do like this, and you can make the columns in this way. This p and q, 2 to the power 2, that is 4 possible combinations. Then true, false, double false are the possible combinations. And find the negation of the q, true, false, false, true, true, false, false, true. Then p conjunction q, negation of q, this column and this column will be considered true, false, false, true, 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 false, 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 true, false. In the conjunction both will be true, the result will be true, otherwise rest of the combinations are false. And after that we should find the negation, just false, true, true, false, false, true, false, true. This is the PQR total 2 to the power 3, that is 8 possible combinations. In the 8 possible combinations we should make the combination like this: true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false, double true, double false, double true, double false, 8 true, 8 false. And we should find the values p intersection q, p intersection r, then q, then conjunction, and then we got the such type of result. There are some statements. It may be statement or no. Some sentences I am going to discuss here. Is 3 is a positive number? No, because it is a question word. X square minus 5x plus is equal to 0. This is true? No, it is open statement which it will depend on x. There will be snow in December. There will be snow in December. This may be statement. Give me the 10 rupees. No, because it is a imperative sentence. Command. This is a command. Ramesh is poor but honest. True. No triangle are squares. True. The conditional and biconditional we have already discussed. If p and q are the given statement, then the statement if p then q denoted by p conditional q is called the conditional statement or implication. Here p is called the attendant and antecedent and the hypothesis, and q is called the consequent and conclusion. The conditional statement p conditional q is frequently read as p implies q if p only if q. If p is the statement I am hungry, q is the statement I believe, then p conditional q is the statement if I am hungry then I will eat. The following tables define the truth value of p conditional q in terms of truth table p conditional q, p and q. It will depend on q. If both true and true, both false or result will be true, otherwise depend on q. Both true, the result will be true, both false, result will be true, otherwise false is false, true is true. The why conditional is that if both are true, the result will be true, both false, result will be true, otherwise false. There are the 5 symbols we use for logical connectives: conjunction, disjunction, conjunction, negation, implication and by implication. These are called connectives, logical connectives. There are the 3 variants of logical connective, that is implication. P conditional q be any conditional statement, then converse of p conditional q is a statement if we change the position of these variables, we find the converse. We should change the position. P conditional q becomes q conditional p. The inverse of p conditional q is a statement negation of p, negation of q. Just we should apply the negation on both sides. If we apply both the things, we should change the position and apply the negation, then we should find the contrapositive statement. Write the inverse and contrapositive of the conditional statement. If 2 plus 2 equal to 4, then I am not the Prime Minister of India. P 2 plus 2 equal to 4 and Q I am getting I am not the Prime Minister of India. Then the given statement can be written as P conditional Q. Therefore, the converse of this Q conditional P. That is, we can say like this: if I am not the Prime Minister of India, then 2 plus 2 equal to 4. The inverse of P conditional Q is a statement negation of P negation of Q. That is, if 2 plus 2 not equal to 4, then I am Prime Minister of India. The contrapositive Q conditional P is I am the P conditional Q is a statement negation of Q negation of P. That is, the contrapositive of the given statement is if I am the Prime Minister of India, then 2 plus 2 not equal to 4. Now we are moving to the normal forms. Actually, the problem of finding whether a given statement is a tautology or contradiction or satisfiable is in the finite number of steps is called the decision problem. The construction of the truth table may not be often a practical solution. B. Therefore, consider the alternate procedure known as the reduction of normal forms. Two such normal forms are deductive normal forms and the conjunctive normal form DNF and CNF. DNF and CNF have only the three basic logical connectives. There will be no place of implication and by implication. Just we should write only the expression in conjunction, disjunction and negation. So this is a compound statement is said to be DNF if it is a disjunction of the conjunction of the variable or their negation. But a compound statement is said to be CNF if it is the conjunction or disjunction of the variables or their negation. Express the following compound statements this in terms of CNF. So first we should make the truth table P and Q. We should find the P conditional Q, Q conditional P, and then conjunction of these two. We should get the table of biconditional. As we have already discussed, in the conditional, if both the true, that result will be true. Both the false, again the result will be true. The DNF form is that P, Q, P conditional Q, Q conditional P, then the negation is DNF form. The CNF form is that P conditional negation of Q, conjunction negation of P, because P has the formula in this way. Just I should explain. Actually, we have the formula. If P conditional Q, then we can say like this: negation of P and disjunction with Q. This is the formula. Okay. So we should apply like this: P conjunction negation of Q, then negation of P, conjunction with Q. Just we should apply the De Morgan law. De Morgan law says that if P conjunction Q, then negation will be applied in both the and conjunction becomes disjunction. And in this way we should find the CNF. The another form of CNF is that, okay, so we have covered the review of throughout the lectures and normal forms CNF and DNF. Okay. In the next lecture, we will discuss some application on inference theory. Thank you.